How to save progress in solo leveling Arise. First of all, open the game on your device and wait for it to load completely. Once you are on the main lobby screen, tap on the top right corner of the screen. Then look for the settings icon usually located at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on it to open the game settings menu. In the settings menu, look for the account option. Here you will see the link account section. You have several choices to save your progress securely, such as linking your account via Google, Apple ID, or email. If you select Google or Apple ID, a pop-up will appear asking for permission to link your account. Tap Allow or Confirm to proceed. If you choose email, enter your email address and password, then verify your account via the confirmation email sent to your inbox. Once your account is linked, all your game progress, characters, and in-game items will be securely saved. You can log in on any device using the same linked accounts to continue exactly where you left off. Always make sure your account is linked before uninstalling or updating the game to avoid losing your progress. Now you know how to save progress in solo leveling Arise safely and securely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.